Today, it's all about dahlias, those much maligned and sometimes called old-fashioned things that grow in the garden, although they're very much back in fashion with people wanting to grow as many different varieties as they can and to see who's got the best. At the moment, I'm loving Otto's Thrill, which is a beautiful peachy coloured decorative. Now, the decoratives are like this one here. You've got little top mixers which go only a little bit tall. You get them in pot dahlias, and you also get your cactuses, and some of these can actually get up to 2 meters, so always check. Now, when you look in these packs, it says 1 dahlia, 1 bulb. This one, it says 2 dahlia, so there's 2 bulbs. I've seen people sitting there and going, let me count this out and see how many I can get out of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, this says 1 dahlia. It is 1 dahlia, and it looks like this. All of these little bits here, these little tuberous roots, okay, are storage units. They are not separate plants. This is where the bulb is actually keeping its energy and where the bulb itself gets the food it needs to start growing. It looks like a little bit of a dried out miff little thing at the moment. You plant the whole thing together. Please don't send me a picture saying my dahlias haven't worked. And when I say to you, dig them up and show me what the bulbs look like and they're in several pieces, don't do that. I will actually find you. Always plant them with the tuberous roots going down and cover with some soil over the top. Make sure that you water them well, although they are quite drought hardy once they're in the ground because they come from a very hot area like Mexico. So you can actually get away with not watering them as much as other bulbs a lot of the time. And then just sit back and wait for them to grow. And you can leave them in the ground. Don't pull them up at the end of the flowering season. Okay, leave them in the ground. Okay, and you can always wait for next year. Plant something over the top, put a pot there so you remember where they are, and next year they'll come back in abundance. Don't miss out on having dahlias. I mean, look at this, isn't that just beautiful? Compact's going to be looking like that in no time at all.